What if your AI assistant wasn't just answering questions, but proactively doing things? Imagine an AI that doesn't just generate text, but orchestrates entire workflows, makes decisions, and learns on the fly. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the reality of custom AI agents, and they're poised to redefine how we work. Welcome back to Kuya AI, where we demystify the bleeding edge of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most transformative trends of 2026, the rise of custom AI agents. These aren't just advanced chatbots. They're autonomous entities capable of complex reasoning, tool utilization, and self-correction. And the best part? Building them is becoming more accessible than ever for tech-curious professionals, SME owners, and AI enthusiasts alike. Join us as we explore how these intelligent systems are moving us beyond simple prompts to a future of true AI automation. For years, our interaction with AI has largely been through static prompts. You ask a question, you get an answer. You give a command, and the AI performs a single, isolated task. But what if the AI could ask itself questions? What if it could break down a complex, high-level goal into a series of smaller, manageable subtasks? What if it could then decide which specialized tool to use for each subtask, execute them, and then synthesize all the results to achieve the original complex goal? That, in essence, is the power of an AI agent. They represent the next evolution, moving from reactive responses to proactive execution. Why are they trending so significantly right now in early 2026? It's a confluence of factors. Maturing large language models with enhanced reasoning capabilities, robust and increasingly user-friendly open-source frameworks, and a growing, insatiable demand from businesses for true automation that goes beyond simple scripting. The market is screaming for AI that can not just assist, but truly act. At its heart, an AI agent is typically built around a powerful large language model, but it's the ecosystem of components around it that truly elevates it to an agent. Think of it like a highly intelligent, self-sufficient entity with several key organs working in concert. First, there's the brain, which is usually a sophisticated LLM. This is the reasoning engine responsible for understanding your high-level goal, generating plans, making decisions, and interpreting information. It's the core intelligence. Next, the memory. This is crucial for sustained intelligent behavior. It includes both short-term context, allowing the agent to remember recent interactions within a single session, and a long-term knowledge base, which might be powered by vector databases, enabling it to recall past experiences, learn from them, and apply that knowledge across different tasks or over extended periods. Then we have the tools. These are the agent's hands and senses, its interface with the outside world. Tools can be anything from web search APIs, internal databases, CRM systems, email clients, code interpreters, image generation models, or even custom Python scripts. The more relevant tools an agent has access to, the more capable and versatile it becomes. Fourth is the planner, or orchestrator. This is the logic that intelligently breaks down the main goal into smaller steps, decides which tool to use for each step, determines the order of operations, and manages the overall workflow. It's the project manager of the agent, and finally, the critic, or evaluator. This is a self-reflection mechanism, allowing the agent to review its own work, identify potential errors or shortcomings, and even attempt to correct them. It's how the agent learns and improves over time, reducing the risk of mistakes and hallucinations. So how do you go about building one of these powerful AI agents? While the specifics can vary, here's a conceptual how-to guide to get you started on your journey. Step 1. Define the mission and scope. This is perhaps the most critical step. What specific, repetitive, or complex task do you want your agent to accomplish? Be incredibly precise. For example, instead of research marketing, aim for research market trends for Q3 in the renewable energy sector, summarize key findings for a C-suite audience, and identify 3 actionable insights for product development. A clear mission prevents scope creep and ensures your agent is focused. Step 2. Choose your battlefield, platform, or framework. For many SME owners and professionals without deep coding expertise, no-code or low-code platforms are rapidly emerging and evolving to offer intuitive, drag-and-drop agent builders. Think advanced versions of tools like Zapier or Make.com, or specialized AI agent builder GUIs that abstract away the complexity. For those with a bit more technical prowess, or if you need maximum customization, open-source frameworks like LangChain, AutoGen, or Llama Index offer incredible flexibility and robust tooling for custom agent builds. Step 3. Arm your agent. Integrate tools. Once you have your platform, connect it to the relevant APIs and services it will need to interact with the world. This is where it gets its hands dirty. This could include web search engines, your internal CRM, project management software, email services, cloud storage, or even custom Python scripts for niche tasks. Each tool expands the agent's capabilities. Step 4. Sculpt the brain. Prompt engineering and agentic design. This is where you define the agent's personality, its goals, and its constraints. Instead of a single monolithic prompt, you're designing a system of prompts that guide its reasoning, task decomposition, and tool usage. You'll define how it thinks, how it makes decisions, and how it recovers from errors. This requires thoughtful design and iteration. Step 5. Give it a memory. Implement mechanisms for both short-term context and long-term knowledge. For short-term, simply passing conversation history is often sufficient. For long-term, consider integrating a vector database to store and retrieve specific knowledge relevant to its mission, allowing it to learn and adapt over time. Step 6. Test, refine, iterate. Agents are rarely perfect on the first try. Deploy your agent in a controlled environment, observe its behavior, and meticulously analyze its outputs. Refine your prompts, add new tools, adjust its planning logic, and enhance its error handling capabilities. This is an iterative process of continuous improvement. What kind of impact can these agents have? The use cases are incredibly diverse and impactful. Imagine an automated market research agent that constantly scours the web, reads industry reports, analyzes competitor activity, and then summarizes findings weekly, delivering actionable insights directly to your inbox. Or a personalized customer support agent that goes beyond a basic chatbot. It can access customer history, troubleshoot complex issues by integrating with your knowledge base, and even initiate follow-up actions like creating support tickets or scheduling calls. For general business operations, a workflow automation agent could monitor incoming emails, extract key information, create tasks in your project management tool, notify the relevant team members, and even draft initial responses. In development, code generation and debugging agents can write, test, and debug code snippets within a development environment, significantly accelerating software development cycles. And for data-driven decisions, data analysis and reporting agents can pull data from various sources, perform complex analyses, and generate customized reports and visualizations on demand. Of course, like all powerful technologies, AI agents come with their own set of challenges. The complexity of designing truly robust and reliable agents requires careful thought about their goals, their tools, and how they handle unforeseen situations. Hallucinations and reliability remain concerns. Agents can still make mistakes or generate misleading information if not properly constrained, validated, and monitored. Cost is another factor. Running complex agents, especially those making frequent calls to powerful LLMs, can accumulate significant operational expenses. And we cannot overlook the ethical considerations surrounding autonomous decision-making and the potential for bias propagation if agents are trained on skewed data. Looking ahead, the future of AI agents promises even more sophisticated reasoning, better self-correction mechanisms, seamless human-agent collaboration, and hyper-personalization across all aspects of our digital lives. They will become indispensable partners, not just tools. The journey into custom AI agents is just beginning, but the potential is undeniable. They promise a future where repetitive tasks are truly automated and human creativity is amplified, allowing us to focus on higher value, more strategic work. Kuya AI believes this isn't just a technological shift. It's a fundamental change in how we approach productivity and innovation. So what specific workflow in your business or daily life could benefit most from a custom AI agent? What repetitive task would you love to offload to an intelligent autonomous system? Let us know your ideas and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you found this deep dive valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating,